Welcome to our video on the importance of professional video ads for a restaurant business. If you own or manage a restaurant, listen closely because we're about to share the recipe for success. In today's digital age, standing out from the competition is crucial, and professional video ads can be the secret ingredient that takes your business to the next level. Firstly, professional video ads can capture the essence of your restaurant in a visually appealing way. With mouth-watering shots of your delicious dishes and sizzling food being prepared, you can instantly entice hungry customers. Moreover, professional video ads allow you to showcase your unique dining experience. Whether it's the cozy ambience, the friendly staff, or the live music, these elements can be highlighted to create an emotional connection with potential customers. But it's not just about the visuals. Professional video ads also give you a platform to tell your restaurant's story. Share your passion for culinary excellence or explain the inspiration behind your menu. Personalizing your message creates trust and loyalty among your audience. Furthermore, professional video ads can reach a wider audience. With social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you can target your video ads to specific demographics and locations, ensuring that your message reaches the right people at the right time. So, whether you're new in the business or looking to expand your reach, investing in professional video ads is a highly effective way to boost your restaurant's visibility, attract new customers, and ultimately increase your revenue. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies to help your restaurant business thrive.